No. Half of the base times the height. You're also going to find the rectangle. How do I find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. Okay. And so for the rectangle, I'm going to do that one because I see those numbers first. Which one's the length and which one's the width? 12 and 17 because they're the big ones. Dude, where did he go? Where's, and then, hold on, and that's 204, thank you. And we're working in inches squared because it's area and everything today's area. What about the base and the height of the triangle? Remember, we're always looking for the perpendicular line, but I don't see any little numbers there. How are you going to figure out what the base and the height of that triangle are? Everybody's got the 204 so far? So the 12 and the 17 were easy to find because they're on the outside, but how big is this base and how big is this height? How do you know? Wes, tell me one of them. Shh. Ah, so Wes says, I see a line going this way and it's 12. Well, if the whole thing's 16 and this is 12, what's left over? 4. So that would be the base of the little triangle. How about this? How about the height of this triangle right here? Because here's my perpendicular line. How big is that one, right?
6.
How do you know?
17 minus 11.
Ah, I've got 2 measurements here. The whole thing is 17. This one is 11, so this one has to be 6. And so on my paper, it's 1/2, 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Half of that is 12. Am I done yet? Not done yet? What do I do with those numbers?
Subtract them.
I want to know the total.
Add them.
So it's different than what we're doing because it's this and this. So you're going to add them together because it's a grand total. So I have 204 plus 12 is 216 inches squared. What's going to happen today is you're going to be finding the area of all of those shapes. So for 3, I will, I'm sorry. My expectation is I will see the equations with the numbers in it and your grand totals. Use mine, right here, buddy. For number 3, what 2 shapes do you see? For number 3, what 2 shapes? A rectangle and half of a circle. And so, once you find